guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, welcome. How are you guys doing? Happy holidays. Today, I don't know if you can see, I know by the title you guys seen already, you guys know what's this video about. So this is a twist, a braids out. My bad, because I do twist so much. This is a braids out, guys. You guys will see how I achieve these curls, all right, that you will need for the holiday season. Okay guys, so this is a really easy heatless twist out curls, looking fabulous. So before we get into this video is about me taking my braids out and getting ready with me, picking the dress, the shoe I'll be wearing in this video, which is this. Okay, so there's all different dresses that you guys will see on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. All right, we all on this new journey to reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so thank you so much for helping me to reach my 500 subscribers last month. Guys, you guys are the best, okay? And I will come out with a video where where are my most subscribers. I would never thought, wow, I would never thought where most my subscribers are from. Wow, amazing. But hi guys, but to start this video, get ready with me. Also how I got from here to what you saw. Okay, so we're gonna look at that, guys. Look at that. It's been a few days since I twisted my hair because like I always tell you guys, like, it's winter time you barely see my hair out. Even the summertime you barely see my hair out, so you ain't catching me. But I'm not sure if you guys would like me to make a video to compare twist out or braids out. For me, when I like both of them, but I prefer braids out like these. Why? Because it kind of, like, you know, stretch the hair, so it gives you more length compared to twist when you twist your hair. Also with protective hairstyle with braids, they return more moisture compared to twist. Because when I do twist and when I do braids, it will take me probably like every 3 days for me to moisturize my hair. But with twist, I have to moisturize my hair every 2 days because it kind of dry out faster than braids. I'm thinking it's because, like, you sealing, like, see, I haven't moisturized my hair probably like in 2 days, so it's kind of like locked in the moisture in the braids. As for twist, it's kind of fluffy, so air tend to penetrate through the hair faster than braids. So that's why I would gravitate towards braids when I would like to do a twist out. For me to get volume and for my hair to be longer, I'll do braids. And for twist, I do twist because it's much easier for me when I wash my hair, when I moisturize my hair. So it's faster for me to do and also to unravel them, to do it right back again. So let's get into this video. So you guys are going to I already did my makeup a little bit. You guys are going to see how I unravel the hair, also to help me pick an outfit, to help me pick a dress from these dresses over there. I'm so excited, guys. You guys may not be able to see all the dresses because I think I will do another video to display all the dresses, try all of them on. Dresses for the holidays, party, office party. I have a few options, so that will be in the next video. So come back for this video so you guys can see. Let's do the hair. I have my oil right here. I have this. I'm taking my twist out.
You taking your twist out?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Thank you.
I love the skin. Wait, this on live? Yeah.
Yes, girl, it's live. I'm responding back to you. So guys, I'm done. So we're about to pick a dress based on this dress right here to see which one I should wear and what lipstick I should be wearing based on the dress. Okay, so let's go pick the dress. Let's go. So right here, guys, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dresses. I have this one right here. This is a black one. I wonder if I be like, if I do a black one, I may wear a red lipstick. Look at that, the black one right here. And I have this green dress right here. This one right here.
I don't know what this is. This is a long dress. This is another little dress. This one right here, probably like for an outfit.
I don't know which one to pick. I don't know which one to pick. So let's pick one, guys. Let's go with the black. You know, guys, love black. I love black. Let's go with the black. Maybe this one so I can do a red bold lipstick. Let's do the black one right here. Okay, so I changed the dress. We're gonna go with this green dress right here, which I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna go with this little purse right here. I'm gonna do this right here, and I'm gonna wear this these shoes right here. So let's put on, I already put my earring on. I love these earrings. Okay, that your curls for the holiday with heatless. You need to apply no heat. Just wash your hair the day before and then twist them, and then the next day undo them and braid them, and then you'll get heatless curls. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see twist versus braid, to see the difference between the curls. Okay, let me know, guys. So this is it. I think this is so cute for the holiday season. New Year Eve, for Christmas. You know, you don't have to do much, you don't have to apply heat on your hair. Share this video for someone who has natural hair or doesn't have natural hair but wants to achieve curls without no heat. Share the video with them. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do what you do best, like always, as I am on this journey to reach 1,000 subscribers very soon, guys. So do like you've done for me for my 500 subscribers. Thank you so much again. So I know you guys will help me to reach my goal to 1,000 subscribers by the year 2023. I would prefer in January. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and like I always say, have a joyful, a wonderful, a peaceful, and a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Bye.